Okay, welcome to question 14 of this practice final exam. A poll of 400 men show that they watch sports on television an average of 4.1 hours per weekend, with a standard deviation of 0.3 hours. What would the standard deviation of the associated sampling distribution for the number of hours watched if all samples of size 45 were taken from this group of 400 men? Now, I'm not sure if it's clear, and we will make sure that it's clear on your final exam, but the population size is 400. Is 400. And what else do we have? We have sample size of little n, which is 45. We have a standard deviation of 0.3. And that's all we need. Now the formula for the associated sampling distribution, the standard deviation of the associated sampling distribution, is this. Now it's in the, let me make sure that it's on the test. Where is it? Okay, it's at the very bottom. And it's going to be this one because they're telling you a population size. So right here. So we're going to use this formula. Let me write that out. So sigma x bar, that's our sampling standard deviation, equals, we got sigma over root n, and a big standard deviation, or a big square root with big N minus little n over big N minus 1. Let me just make sure that I have that right. Okay. So that's going to be, where is it? 0.3 over the square root of 45. On top, it will be 400 minus 45. Notice I'm putting parentheses on, because when you're putting this in the calculator, you will have to put parentheses on the numerator. And then 400 minus 1. Okay, so I'm going to plug that into the calculator. So 0.3 divided, and you kind of want to plug all this in at once. If you're not going to plug it in all at once, like let's say you were going to do like this one, and then get a number, round to a lot of decimals, like round to at least 5. I'm going to type it in all at once, and then if you're not getting what I get, please come see one of us to make sure that that you can do it. When I plug it in, I get 0.04218, so on. Now, the closest one would be up here at B, and if I were to round this to 3 decimals, I would get exactly what B is. So the answer to number 14 is 0.042 hours, which is letter B.